Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to glitch RARES as you have read from the title. Right now you have to go to shopping and invite a friend that is wearing all the RARES you want. Now you have to keep in mind that this won't work on D-packs because they're not in shops, and these only work with RARES that were before in shop are now removed. Like for example, winter blushes, they were in shops before and they can be bought from this clutch. Now you just have to invite a friend who's wearing the RARES you want. I invited a friend who was wearing sleeves and winter blush. And I'm going to be trying to glitch the winter blush in and buy it. When you do this glitch, it might get really laggy, but I think it's worth it. So I'm just going to start spam clicking and I'll record when I get the winter blush. So I actually got the winter blush, but I don't know why it's not showing up. Maybe it's because of the lag. I think I'll just wait for some more minutes. It's still lagging too much. I think I'll just wait for a few more minutes for the last time. So I got the winter cheeks, as you can see in my basket. Now all we just have to do is buy, and then now we have this. Now I got a winter blush for at least 300 star points. Okay, so that's how you glitch RARES. All you have to do is spam click and invite a friend. Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.